Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am headed to CVS, and let me just say, for my midweek CVS video this week, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't think there's going to be any deals to do because this is such a slow week. But it's actually been surprising, girl. Like, I didn't do paper deals and I didn't do laundry deals, but that's okay because there's still a lot of decent deals if you need to roll your extra care bucks. And so I'm here for it. I hope you're here for it too. If you're new here, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you just smash the like button, support your girl. And don't forget to ring that little notification bell so you never miss another video. So listen, I'm going to head to CVS, y'all. I went and did a couple deals yesterday and I was just like, look, I was just like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make. Thinking this is gonna be a slow week, but I was really surprised at the little deals that we were able to come up with this week. In the comments, what is your favorite deal this week? I want to say my favorite deal was my favorite deal is Moneymakers. I ain't even gonna lie. Like whatever deal I can make some money on is my favorite deal. I don't care what it is. I don't care. If it's something I don't need, I don't care if it's something I don't even use, but if it's making me money, it's my favorite deal. And so in the comments, what's your favorite deal this week? A lot of you guys have been asking about being able to have the digital attached with the paper coupon, and like, what's my process? Like, how do I do my transactions? Do I go to a cashier? Do I go do self-checkout? I have had it double attached doing it either way. With the cashier, I have them scan my items. Well, we scan my card first, and then they scan all of my items. Then we scan the paper coupons, and then they total it and see what happens. If my subtotal is what it's supposed to be, then I know we're all good. But there are some digitals that they don't look like they attach, but they actually do. Like the Whole Blends is known for that. I think L'Oreal was like that too, where sometimes I don't think it came off, but then it does come off. And so that's why I don't hand them any extra care bucks until I know what my subtotal is. And then when you're going to self-checkout, it's a little different. You scan your items first, then you scan your paper coupons, then you scan your CVS card or enter your number, then you scan any paper extra care bucks that you have. So that's pretty much the process that I do. I can't think of anything else to add. I'm going to try to make this video super quick. I may just show you guys all my receipts once I get home because sometimes it takes a little longer in store to show the receipts and stuff. And I know that some of you guys like to see the receipts. And so other than that, you guys, I will see you guys in the store for some awesome deals. So keep on watching.
All right, guys. So this first deal that we're going to be doing is going to be on the Shaq razors. They are on sale for $6.99. They're also spend 15, get back 5, limit for 1. So for this, I do have a 5 off 25 CRT I'm going to use. So I'm going to grab a total of 4 of them. That total is going to come to $27.96. Again, I'll be using the 5 off 25 CRT right there. There's also 2 digitals on here as well that we're going to be using. We're going to stack those 2 digitals with 2 of the $4 printables from coupons.com. All right, that's going to bring our total down to paying $6.96 out of pocket, but we'll get back the 5, making it $1.96 for 4, or only 49 cents each. So next deal I've seen a few people do, it's on the Swagbucks. It's on the Got To Be. They are 2 for $24, or also buy 2 get back 4. Going to be using this $7 off of 2 coupon. It did expire already on the 12th. I'm also hoping it will attach with the digital as well, which is 7 off of 2. It's going to bring that total down to paying $10 out of pocket, but you'll get back $4 in extra care bucks, and then you'll also get back $3 for each on Ibotta. I'm making it absolutely free. So I ordered some more coupons for Cetaphil, so I want to try this deal again. The trial size section is spend 15, get back 3 with a limit of 1. So for this, last time I went ahead and grabbed 4 of these and made it a pretty decent deal, but I did order some of the $3 coupons right here. I'm hoping it'll work on Ibotta. Like, I got these last time and I scanned my receipt on Ibotta. It didn't pick up that one. I heard it picks up these 2 here. I'm gonna pick up 2 at $3.49, and I'm gonna pick up 1 at $3.69, and then use 3 of these $3 printables right here. Alright, also gonna pick up 1 at $4.29 and then use that $4 coupon there. Bring our total down to paying $1.96 and getting back 3 So it should make this $1.04 moneymaker. Another option could be to grab 3 of the wipes at $3.69, and then the, what is it, a cleanser, lotion at $4.29. Total's gonna be $14.36, and then use 3 $3 coupons and 1 $4 coupon. You'd pay $2.36 and get back 3. So that's another option as well. Next thing I'm gonna be grabbing is gonna be on the Revlon tools. I'm gonna grab the emery boards. These are priced at $4.99, so I'm gonna grab 1. Now we all got a $4 Revlon CRT, which I'm gonna use. I'm also gonna try to use this $2 coupon right here as well. Honestly, I don't know if it's gonna work because it's $2. I assume if it comes off, the digital will adjust down to compensate for that. But at the end of the day, it should still be free, so we'll see. I'm gonna share with you this Revlon deal I'm gonna do because I do have a 4 off of 20 CRT. So Revlon is spend 20, get back 5 with a limit of 6. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 3 of the Revlon sugar scrubs. They're priced at $6.99. All right, that total is going to come to $20.97, and then we're going to use 3 of these $3 coupons right here. I'm also going to be using the 4 off of 1 Revlon that we're all getting. I also have the 4 off of 20 Revlon CRT as well, which will bring the total down to paying $3.97 out of pocket, but getting back the 5, making this $1.03 moneymaker. This next deal is on the Aussie hair care. It is buy one get one 40% off. It's Aussie, Pantene, Old Spice, Head and Shoulder. We're grabbing the Aussie. They are shelf price for $4.49 for the first one. The second one is gonna cost you $2.70. So both will be $7.19, but then you're gonna get back $4 in extra care bucks. Plus there is a $2 back offer on coupons.com, Shopmium, and Alexa, which will bring this down to only 59 cents each. Alright, so I have a few deals to share over here. I'm a pass because it's not something that I need. And so the Suavitel, there's a few other products. Suavitel, Fabuloso, Palmolive, Ajax, Murphy's Oil. They are buy one get one 50% off. They're also buy two get back two. So the Suavitel is priced at $3.49 for the first one. The second one is $1.74. You'll pay $5.23 and get back the 2. So it makes it $3.23 for both of them, or $1.61 each. The other option is on the Ajax, which are priced at $4.19 for the first one. The second one is going to be $2.09. So you'd pay $6.28, getting back the 2, making them $2.14 each. Palmolive's another one. I have enough Palmolive at home that I can't afford to pay for it at all. And so it's priced at $4.99 for the first one. The second one is $2.49. So you'll pay $7.48, get back the 2, making them $2.74 each. And then what else? The Fabuloso. The Fabuloso are priced at $4.79 for the first one. The second one is $2.39. So you'll pay $7.18, getting back the 2, which will make those $2.59 each. And then the Murphy's, I'm not even gonna go into that one because it's priced at $6.49. So yeah, ain't gonna happen. And so yeah, so if those are deals you want to grab, go ahead and do it. Next deal I am gonna go ahead and do, it's on the General Mills cereal. Select ones are on sale for $1.99. And so we're gonna grab a total of 2 of them. I'm gonna be grabbing the Cheerios as well as the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. My total is gonna come to $3.98. Now we do have a digital for $1 off of 2 on the app that we're gonna use. So that's gonna bring our total down to paying $2.98 out of pocket. But there are rebates on Ibotta for both of them for 50 cents. So it'll bring it down to only $1.98 for both of them, or 99 cents each. Alright, this next deal I wasn't sure if I want to do, but I figured why not? I freaking love these Fiber One, especially these brownie ones. They are bomb. I remember CVS had a deal on these a while back, and that's the first time I tried them, and I absolutely love them. And so I'm gonna go ahead and do this deal on the Fiber One. They are also priced at $1.99, and so for this I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. The total is gonna come to $3.98. Now we do have a 50 cent off of 2 digital on the app. That'll bring the total down to paying $2.48, but then we're gonna get back 50 cents for each one on Ibotta, which is right there. making them only $1.24 each. So I figured, hey, why not? And they only have 2 boxes of chocolate left, so it's sold already. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for my midweek CVS haul for you guys. So listen, everything worked out really good. I've been trying to record myself doing these receipts, y'all, but it's just taking too much time. I ain't even gonna lie. And so what I might just do, well, just trust and believe that everything that worked out. Okay, got to be double attached. At first, it didn't look like the coupon was scanning, but it went through when he scanned it. That was the first coupon that I gave him. All right, that worked out, double attached. This was the razor deal. I did this on 3 of my cards. I got that 5 off 25 CRT. That worked out perfect. This is another transaction with the razors. This one right here was the Fiber One, was the cereal. The Aussies on there, the Revlon deals on there as well. And again, that worked out perfect as well. So all of these trends, this is not all of them. Let me just say that this is not all of them. But this is just the main items because I did Aussie twice. I did the Emery boards on 4 of my cards. The 5th card, I did the Revlon deal. With the Cetaphil, really quick, be careful with this deal if you have the $3 printable and the $4 printable, because the $3 printable works on both of these, but the $4 coupon doesn't work on these. So if you do have the 4 off 1 coupon, make sure they scan that first. That's if you're buying these. And I did the Cetaphil deal 3 different ways. But if you want to maximize that deal the most, you want to grab at least 3 wipes, because it'll work on Ibotta. So for this deal, 1 transaction I did 4 wipes. I got credit for 3 of them. One I did 1 wipe, and 3 of those I got credit for 1 of those. And then the other one, I think I did 3 wipes and 1 of those. I believe that's how I did it. But basically at the end of the day, for the Cetaphil, I got credit for all of those except 1 because it was the 4th one. Yeah, so I got credit for 3, and then 1. That's right. And so that's just a tip on that. I didn't go over the Eucerin. I went ahead and grabbed this deal. I thought it was a pretty decent deal. These are priced at $6.49 for these 2 here, and then $6.99 for this one here. That total comes to $19.97. We have $3 coupons from inserts. You'll end up paying $10.97, getting back the 10. So it makes it 97 cents for all 3, or 37 cents each. So I've done Eucerin on 2 of my cards so far, so I'll probably do it on the other 3 cards later this week. Other than that, what else? Everything else worked out really good with this haul, you guys. Everything you see here retails $256.46. I did have $174.76 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought my out-of-pocket down to $82. And then I walk away with $63 in extra care bucks, $29.50 for my Ibotta, $2 from coupons.com, and $2 from Alexa. Now, I thought I had Aussie on my Shop Me On, but I didn't. So that's why I submitted on coupons.com yesterday. And when I did it today, I submitted on Alexa. I'm still processing for Alexa, but coupons.com did go through already. So we got back a total of $96.50 back in rebates. It makes everything you see here free, plus a $14.50 moneymaker, which is awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, this is $19.26 in sales tax. So even after tax, it still nets everything at $4.76 for everything, or only 10 cents each, which is just awesome in itself. Other than that, I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you got this far in this video, I want to see, let me see a lipstick emoji in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.